It's about 85 degrees outside. This is a 12-month warranty inspection. Look at the ceiling. Ceiling is running about 82 degrees Fahrenheit. I can see every truss. I come down to the walls and they're running about 74 degrees Fahrenheit. Again, the ceiling, look at that. There's the attic access. That's really unusual. This is the second floor. Again, 12-month warranty inspection. Let's go see what's going on over here. Look at that. Sheetrock. That's the bedroom area. This is the loft area. This is the loft area. There is no insulation up here. 12-month warranty inspection. Does your home inspector use a high resolution infrared camera? Does he have the certifications to know what he's looking at? 12 months they've been living with this.